Uh-huh. This is my almost BFF Lupe. She is sleeping right now. She sleeps very beautifully. I tend to enjoy how she sleeps. She's very quiet. This is Juana. She's just bothering me. See, I give her kisses. I give her kisses. See, I give her kisses on her forehead. I would give her one on the mouth too. See, very beautiful. Anyway, so this is Lupe, and she's sleeping. She gave Juana a hickey right there. Do you see that hickey? It's hella big. It's like,
Oh, I want to see it.
it looks like the one that bitch that tried to rape me gave me. You know. But anyway, this is Lupe again. Can't move. I need the light. Come on, you need to stop. See, that's Lupe. Oh, stop! I got good lighting now. This is Lupe. She's asleep. She snores hella loud. But I love her to death, so it's okay. Here, look, let me see the hickey again in good light. Let me see the hickey.
Fuck, it's huge, dude.
That's the hickey. It's very big. Yeah. Anyway, this is Lupe. Does it hurt?
No.
This is Lupe. We need to start talking about Lupe. She's very beautiful. She's very beautiful. She has braces.
Don't talk so loud.
She'll tear up your dick if you try to suck it. I mean, if she tries to suck it. But I love her, so yeah. Yeah. Good night, Lupe. Good night. Good night. So I just gave her a kiss on the cheek because she's beautiful. Good night. Okay, how do you pause?